asked us on the open hill, who speaks the truth, who knows me still. You are the Christ, the promised Son, the living God, the Holy One. You are the Christ, the cornerstone, the rock we claim as ours alone. No power can break what you ordain. Your church shall rise and still